Paris, Disneyland in a day. Is it possible? Many of us wonder, how many days do you really need to experience Disneyland in Paris? That's exactly the question we had when we visited in December. The answer? It all depends. It boils down to how much you are willing to spend and what you are looking to get out of the experience. Are you aiming to soak in the magical Disney atmosphere and attractions, or are you a thrill seeker who can't get enough of the rides? Let's break it down and see if you can make the most of Disneyland Paris in just one day. First tip: book your Disney park entrance tickets in advance. Why? Tickets prices can increase significantly closer to your visit. Booking early can save you money, especially if you are visiting with family and need multiple tickets. Why are some days cheaper? Disneyland uses a dynamic prices system where tickets prices vary depending on demand, weekend, holiday, and peak season, like summer or Christmas, are more expensive. Off-peak days, weekdays, and non-holiday periods are generally cheaper as the park expects fewer visitors. When you go into the website, you'll see dated versus undated Disneyland tickets. Dated tickets, valid only for a specific date you choose, cheaper but fixed to one day. Undated tickets can be used any day within a valid period, more expensive for flexibility. There are two parks in Disneyland. The main park with Disney's classic rides and themed areas like Fantasyland and Adventureland. You'll find parades, fireworks, and all the magical Disney experiences here. Walt Disney Studios Park focuses on movies and shows you how they are made. Has thrilling rides like the Avengers Campus and Tower of Terror. You can visit both parks in one day with the Park Hopper ticket, but for more relaxed experience, it's better to spend at least one full day per park. Our experience. We visited both parks in one day and it was plenty for us. However, we spent a lot of time waiting in line for rides. The screen shows estimated wait times, but in many cases, the actual wait was double. Some rides had over an hour of waiting time, which made it less enjoyable. If you are into rides, we highly recommend getting a fast pass. It costs extra, but it can save you from spending half your day in lines. Shows. The parks have shows included in the ticket price. Arrive at least 15 minutes early as seats fill up quickly. Food. Food in the parks is pricey and the quality is just okay. Bringing snacks helped us save time and visit more attractions. We grabbed drinks when it was convenient at less crowded spots. Accommodations. There are hotels inside the park, but you can also stay in nearby hotels or apartments. We stayed in central Paris to explore the city and found it easy to take a train to Disneyland. An easy way to get around Paris is by using the Bonjour RATP app. It helps you navigate the city public transport, including buses, metros, trains, and trams. The app provides route planning, real-time updates, and ticket options to make your travel easy and convenient. I hope this video helped you to plan your trip to Disneyland. You can also buy your ticket using the link in the description. It won't cost you more than buying directly from the website, but it supports me a little so I can create more helpful videos for your trips. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next week. Thanks for watching.